Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn about Power Quality module. To know more about it, navigate to Viewer window. Go to Configurator, then double-click on Plant View. Please wait a moment while it loads. Right-click on an empty area, select Create Parent, and then enter the desired parent name. Select the parent node, right-click on it, choose Add Child Node, and enter a name for the child. Select the child node, right-click on it, choose Link Screen, and then select Power Quality from the drop-down menu. Navigate to iVision Max, then go to Screens, User, SmartComm Module, Power Quality, and select the Power Quality dashboard screen. Click on Open. Click on Save. Go to the dashboard, then select Plant. Click on Refresh. Under the Analytics section, choose Power Quality. This dashboard presents detailed insights into power quality parameters, including current, voltage sags and swells, total harmonic distortion, THD, for both current and voltage, various types of power measurements, average power factor, and displacement power factor, and so on.
Thank you for watching.